The tire pressure monitoring system with Tire Fill Assist makes it easy to maintain the proper pressure in your tires. This TPMS system can display the pressure within each tire in the instrument panel. If a tire's pressure becomes significantly low, an alert appears indicating which tire needs attention. When this happens, stop the vehicle as soon as possible in a safe place and adjust the tire pressure to the proper level. The vehicle's specified tire pressure can be found on a label in the driver's door jamb. The Tire Fill Assist feature can provide visual and audible assistance. When filling a tire, make sure the vehicle is on, the transmission is in park, and the parking brake is applied. As the low tire is being filled, a beeper sounds and exterior lights flash once every 5 seconds. When the proper pressure is reached, the beeps sound and the lights flash rapidly for about 3 seconds at 5-second intervals. If the tire is overinflated, the beeps sound and lights flash twice every 2 seconds. Release pressure from the tire until the system signals that the proper pressure is set.